Harvey is now blamed for at least 63 deaths. More than 50,000 storm victims are staying in government-funded hotel rooms. FEMA says more than 500,000 families requested disaster assistance already, and some homes may be underwater for up to a month. Michelle Miller is in one Houston neighborhood where people are trying to cope with all the destruction there. Michelle, good morning.
Good morning. Tens of thousands of Houstonians have done this, pulled out an entire lifetime of belongings and trashed it on their front lawns. It is a toxic breeding ground for disease. But public health officials are now concerned with the psychological distress that goes along with losing so much. Piles of debris in yards across Houston are filled with furniture, insulation, and carpeting. But look closer, and you'll also find more intimate items.
If the 8-year-old, that Caterpillar tractor is their favorite toy and it's got to be thrown out, how emotionally challenging is that when you're having that kind of a conversation with your child?
Dr. Umair Shah is the executive director of Harris County's Public Health. He's checking in on Houstonians who are beginning the difficult task of cleaning out their homes.
We're really encouraging everybody to use as much protection as possible so they avoid touching any of this because we just don't know what was in it.
Well, it's swelling up there.
While Shaw's biggest concerns are illnesses that can collect in the water and the air, he's also worried about people's mental health.
Thank you so much.
Siomi Smishek moved into a hotel after her home flooded. She says the sound of water running through her room's air conditioner terrifies her.
I was crying and said, oh my God, it's raining again. And I start every time jumping to the window to see if it's water in the street.
Smishek is looking to those next door for comfort.
Yeah, that's neighbors looking out for neighbors.
Thank you so much.
That's what we do.
Shaw says that connection with the community is critical to overcoming Harvey's devastation. How big of an issue will mental illness be?
It's going to be devastating. There's so much that we don't know about how this has impacted people, and that's always my concern, is the silent part of this is what people don't recognize.
Dr. Shaw believes that many of the people we spoke with are suffering from some sort of post-traumatic stress. You know, the CDC did a survey after Katrina and found that 25% of households had someone in it suffering from mental or needing some sort of mental counseling. Jeff, fewer than 2% actually got help.
Michelle, thank you very much.